Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to discuss about the folder structure in the Vue 3. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the folder structure, project root, public, we have an index.html, favicon.ico, main HTML file, favicon and other public assets over here like the images or something. Next we have a source, then assets, images, fonts and the other assets. Okay, so you can mention over here components, view components come over here, views, route specific views or the pages come over here, router, view router configuration, store, if you have a store, vuex store modules if using vuex for the state management, services, API services or utilities, styles, global style, SCSS or CSS, app.view, root view component, entry file, that is entry point of the view application, that is main.js. If you have the test cases, then you can test files in the configurations, node modules, dependencies auto generated, not stored in the source control. Okay, so if I go over here, you can see the structure. We have a source, we have a public, we have favicon.ico, index.html source, we have assets. Okay, then we have a components, then we have a app.view, main.js. Okay, these are the packet.json file. So here we have whatever the npm modules or node modules we are installing. It is history of it comes over here. So whatever we have installed, right, core.js view, which view we have using, and these are dev dependencies, ESLint, extends, parsers, browser list, so everything. And this is a tracking of packet.log json, basically tracking the history of whatever the package you have had, what is modified. Okay, a tree like structure it maintains. Okay, that is a git ignore file, which folder you want no don't want to push into your git repository or something, that is here. Okay, then we have a readme file where you can write the steps of this project, what exactly the project is. Then we have a view config that is by default coming over here with the help of the view CLI. Okay, let's go in detail. Public contains the main HTML file, index.html, and others like favicon.ico files here are publicly accessible and often used for the configuration assets that don't require processing by the building tools. Source. First we have the assets, right? Contain the static assets like images, fonts, icons. Components, view components organize functionalities or the features. Views contain the pages that correspond to the specific routes. Router, view router configurations and the route definitions. Store, already discussed, services, styles and app view main.js. Main entry file where view app is created and configured. Tests contain the test files and configuration if you are using the testing frameworks like Jest, Mocha, Cypress for testing view components or the application. Larger projects might further subdivided folders like features, modules, or layers like API, helpers, constants, etc. Okay, so this is basic view folder structure. Any doubt, any query in that? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.